Okay, we're doing it. We're deconstructing this lemon bee themed wreath, and we are going to transform it into a fall wreath. Okay, so meet me back here and we'll get started. So let's get started. I have a bag. I'm just going to put all my flowers in, and then I'll put them away after, but just so they're not out everywhere. We took our little bee down. I love that little bee. But we'll use them again. We're getting all our spring and summer looking decor down. Our lemons. And we're going to use, we are going to use this that we made together in another video. Okay. This poor vine wreath, good grief. Daveda, when are you gonna put it to rest, you know? Thing about this, you know, especially because it's older, well, not necessarily just because it's older. These make a mess anyway, but because it's older, a lot of the little sticks come off, so you really have to sweep and vacuum when you're done. I'm not real easy when I take my stuff off, am I? Check it out. What happened? Okay. So, what we're going to do now, and yes, I'm keeping this. I'm not making a new one. Don't have time, don't want to. This, to me, looks like fall and Halloween, especially the Harlequin look of it. Alright, so now I have the glue gun. I'm going to start heating up in a minute. I have my wire cutters, and remember the bush? I got 5 of these from At Home. This is going to be used in here along with, and I did a DIY. You'll probably see this after I've made the wreath, but I checked it. Mackenzie Child, as you can see. In my haul, it was just like a grayish pumpkin. So I did that. And then in the DIY I show you, I painted the pumpkin, and I checked this one. This one, I don't know if I'm going to be able to adhere it. I don't know. I'm just going to have to mess with it. But I made this one, and I painted the one from Hobby Lobby, and I did the courtly check, the orange, and the polka dots. What do you think? I think it's cute, don't you? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move this, and I'm going to start cutting. And I don't want these very long, but I don't want them short either. And I bought one of these bushes deliberately. In the world is happening here? Oh, I see what it is. Okay, so we're just cutting these off. It's going to be pretty with it, huh? And then the mums. Pretty. And I'm going to use some of this. Oh wait, let's see what else I need. See what I mean? How it starts to All right, now it's a matter of where do I want them. Thing I like about the grapevine is you can stick these in really easy. See what I mean? And with the wire you can kind of shape them the way you want. This one might be a little bit too long. I think it is. You don't have to worry, you can put that leaf in after to get some more greenery going there. And you always want to lift, for anyone, I mean, I am not a wreath maker by a long shot, and I've always told you that. I just kind of push it in and hope for the best. But you always kind of want to look as if when it's up, what it's going to be looking like, not down here, but up. And I always put mine to the side so the bow is always off center. I like it that way. Not everybody does, but you know, do you. I mean, whatever you want. Then I'm going to put these leaves in as well and stick them in there just for color. Okay. My wreath making is very limited, as you all well know. Okay, but once I get the flowers in, I'll be able to tell more, I think, how I want to go about putting this against it. Then you can kind of put your other stuff around the flowers. Okay. I can already tell this is going to be too long. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my Ziplocs and kind of zip this together because it's getting very old. You know what I'm going to do at the beginning of the new year? I'm going to get a new grapevine wreath. That's what I'm going to do. And I'll just have something hide Ziploc. Okay. That'll hold it together better. See? This is so big, I know you can't see everything real well, but I'm doing the best I can. Okay, now I want to see where I want this, because I do want this in the wreath. So I want to adhere it. Oh yeah, that'll be perfect. Well, that kind of looks like it's flying. Okay, and I just kind of stuck it in the grapevine. Okay. But see, I like these loose leaves because it can then be like filler just for color. That's gonna be cute. Okay, I gotta glue in I'm gonna glue in my glue gun and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I have the sign from Dollar Tree that we checked. And then I have some of the flowers, okay? And I'm still putting in the ribbon and what's left over of the flowers. I wish I could get dripless hot glue. I think I'm going to put the striped one right here and hope that it adheres okay. I feel like I'm going to have to make another one, you guys. Can't remember if I have another one. If I don't, I'm gonna have to make it. I'm gonna need more of these on here. But I'll put this all together and put it up on the wall, and then I'll make more and we'll just add to it. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Let me go see. Don't, but I do have this little pumpkin, so I'm going to put that. I think I'm going to put that there, and then I can move this. You can't see this. Yep, it's definitely going to need another pumpkin. I just think this one's going to... Well, you guys, maybe I will put this one. Then I could move this. Well, maybe I should keep that there. No, because then you're not going to see the... It's going to have to be smaller. It's too big. So what we're going to have to do is we're just going to have to wing it right now until I can paint a couple more like this or striped. But in the meantime, what we're going to do is we're going to put this back in there. Now, I could put a couple of white, just plain white. You know what? That I could, and I think I'm going to. Yep, I am. because I can always take these off. You know what I mean? I thought I was going to put that one on there, but you guys, it's too big. It doesn't look right. Just got to hold it for a minute until it adheres onto. But I will paint another Mackenzie Child dupe. Okay. Okay, and then here's the black one, and I'm going to put that one right here. Do you see that? Just got to make sure you get it down real good. Okay, we're almost done for now. I think I want to get, you can't see it, I'll bring you down so I can show you. Okay guys, I have to show you before it gets dark, because it's already getting there. So, here it is. I didn't paint another pumpkin, and I don't think I'm going to, you guys, because look, I put the one I painted, and then the white one, and then the black one, and then the white one over here. What do you think? I think we have a winner. And there's the Mackenzie Child duped, the little one up here. See that? So, to let you kind of see it more up close and personal, we just took the Dollar Tree sign and we checked the middle pumpkin, left the other two orange, so you have that little pop of orange in there. And then we just took the white pumpkins and the black, and there you go. There's our fall wreath. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.